I'm going to share with you some secrets of professional brigadeiros. In this case, this one here is called bicho de pay. I added 2 tablespoons of Nesquik and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to mix it, okay? It's off the heat, all right? Mix the Nesquik really well so it dissolves and there aren't any lumps. I'm going to add a small box of heavy cream and mix it too. Since I'm using semi-skimmed sweetened condensed milk, it's a bit thinner. I add a tablespoon of powdered milk to help get the right consistency. If it were whole sweetened condensed milk, I wouldn't need to. I mix it well, and when everything is dissolved, I'll put it on the stove. Then you just need to stir. It's important for the heat to be medium to low. Why? Because if you cook Brigadeiro on high heat, it caramelizes too quickly and gets too sticky. Now about the consistency, which everyone has questions about. We're going to make a line in the mixture, okay? We're going to open it up as if we're making a path in the middle of the mixture. I'll show you, look, notice that it comes back quickly, see? The path closes up really fast, so it's not at the right consistency yet. The correct point is when you open the path and it closes very slowly. At this point, you can take it out of the pan, put it on a plate lined with plastic wrap, and wrap it in the plastic wrap while the mixture is still very hot. Guys, it's okay, just wrap it up and let the mixture rest before rolling it. I let it get completely cool. If I want to freeze it, I put it in the freezer just like this for up to 3 months and then thaw it in the fridge. When you're going to use your mixture, you unwrap it, but you can't just take a little piece and try to roll it into a ball because it's hard to shape that way. You need to reactivate the fat in the mixture, so you have to do this motion here like you're kneading the dough. I put a little bit of release agent on my hands to do this, okay? After this step, you can shape your sweets however you like. I hope I helped. Kisses.